Morning, children. Today we are continuing the topic National Political Party. In the previous videos, up to the last video, we have learned three national parties. So, in this video, we are going to learn about the again three national parties. The first is Bahujan Samaj Party, second is Communist Party of India, and the third is Communist Party of India Marxist. First, we will start with the Bahujan Samaj Party. It is also a national party. This party belongs to Uttar Pradesh. Symbol of this party is elephant with blue color background. Bahujan Samaj Party was formed in 1984 under the leadership of Kansi Ram. After him, today the command of this party is in hand of Mayawati. It seeks to represent and secure power for the Bahujan Samaj. Bahujan Samaj means the downtrodden of the society. To them, this party represents. As we learn the ideology of different parties, like that, Bahujan Samaj Party is also having different ideology. They say they represent and secure Bahujan Samaj. Bahujan Samaj means Adivasi, Dalit, OBCs and religious minorities, and they represent all these sections, and they promises or gives the propaganda in election that if Bahujan Samaj Party wins the election, it would take special measures for the promotion of this group. It is not wrong because every party has an agenda and on that they contest the elections. So we will see the ideology based from which people they took inspiration. They are Sahu Maharaj, Mahatma Phule, Paryar Ramaswamy Naikar, Ambedkar. These are our national leaders. This leader works on social reform. They work on upliftment of downtrodden or untouchable in society. This ideology, Bahujan Samaj Party, reflects. They take the inspiration from these national leaders and work. Propaganda means to exhibit something or the way to represent the core idea or the core issues. Now we will see the presence of party where this party has its hold. This party having a strong hold in Uttar Pradesh, formed government for several times by taking support of different parties. It is active in Uttar Pradesh. State government play important role in it, and also national government. Many times it form government in UP. The state government play an important role, and national government also has given the seats in colliding. But 2014 they have not got any seats. Present leadership is going on under Mayawati. She was also become chief minister there. Presence of Bahujan Samaj Party also observed in Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Uttarakhand, Delhi and Punjab. We can also see the presence of Bahujan Samaj Party in the nearby areas of Uttar Pradesh, actively works there. The next party we are going to see is Communist Party of India. So Communist Party of India and Communist Party of India Marxist, what is the difference? Why they are separated? That we will learn and discuss. We will start with Communist Party of India. It was formed in 1925. Communist Party of India was formed in 1925. These parties are the supporter of socialist ideology, also the supporter of Marxism-Leninism. Communist Party of India was formed in 1925 and gets split in 1964. Now we take about the ideology of the party. It believes in Marxism, Leninism, secularism, democracy. Marxism, Leninism means in this for Karl Marx, Marxism and Vladimir Lenin ideology given by Karl Marx and Vladimir Lenin was followed by CPI, means Communist Party of India. Also believes in secularism and democracy. Communist Party of India got support from downtrodden sections like poor farmer, working class, etc. After that, opposed the forces of secessionism and communalism. Secessionism means to separate from country, and communalism means on the basis of religion divide the society. They are the supporter of communalism and they oppose the communalism. Now the word communism and communalism are two different things that I have explained you. Next significant presence in the states of Kerala, West Bengal, Punjab, Andhra Pradesh. In this, they had strong support base. But slowly it is declining because this party found related with Naxalism. But Communist Party in India is strong pillar in left front. It play a prominent role. Now, the next party is Communist Party of India Marxist, means CPIM. This party comes out from the Communist Party of India. They add Marxist to show the radical viewpoint. It was founded in 1964, means this party was founded in 1964. Ideology of this, as every party has its own ideology, so this party is also having the ideology, and their ideology matches to the Communist Party of India, same as Communist Party of India. They are supported by poor factory workers, farmers, agricultural laborers, and intelligentsia. Intelligentsia means people who study in social science or studies the philosophy. Okay, so after it is critical of new economic policies that allow free flow of foreign capital and goods into the country, means they oppose the idea of liberalization. Communism supports socialist ideology. They oppose the capitalist ideology which belongs to foreign country. So when they oppose capitalist ideology, they doesn't allow free flow of foreign capital and goods. Because of this, society will get exploited. These are their ideas. It was in power, this party was in power in West Bengal without a break for 34 years, and the party has strong hold in West Bengal, enjoys strong support in West Bengal, Kerala and Tripura. So these were the 6 parties that we studied. 3 parties in the previous videos and now 3 parties in this video. In the next party we will start the state parties. Okay, thank you.